Welcome to my YouTube channel. Where have you been? Where have you been? Okay, sorry, it's actually my fault. I haven't uploaded in a really long time. So if you're here again, thank you very much. And also thank you for 115 subscribers. Thank you to all my loyal subscribers. We're back at it again here today with another video because I go back to work today, and if you don't know, I work at Staples. I won't tell you the location, but I work at a Staples. So anyway, I gotta wear this uniform today. Staples actually lets you wear like whatever pants you want, so I'm just wearing jeans, and then they also let you wear whatever shoes you want. Actually with the pants you can't have any like rips and stuff, but yeah, so I'm just gonna wear whatever shoes I find. I'll look presentable. But anyway, this video is to do with like my makeup. Today I want to do like a simple makeup look, but since I will be talking to a lot of people and like making eye contact and stuff, I don't want them to be looking at my acne scars or like pimples. So let's get right into this video. Also, I want to give a shout out to my sister Samantha. She is a US Marine, and this, wait, let me show you her. This is my sister. She's on my cup. She made me this bun. So let me give you a slow-mo of this bun. I don't know if I'm in frame, but that's the slow-mo of my bun. I'm so excited today because last time I tried to film video and then it was going great and I was super excited to film, and then I got really sad, something happened, and it was like a family thing. So here we are again and trying again, trying to get back my YouTube channel. Missed you guys. Let's get right into this. Okay, so now we're back. I like to start off my face routine and stuff with a moisturizer and the sunscreen. Sunscreen, if I remember. Moisturizer almost always, because it's like feels weird to be blending the sponge in when my skin is so dry. It's not like dry, but it's like there's no movement, so it's like it doesn't feel good. When I put the moisturizer on, the foundation just blends seamlessly. So yeah, I'm running out of this one though, but I'm about to start my job, so I'll have money to buy a new one. But for now I'm just gonna struggle because I'm broke. I actually have no money for this kind of stuff. But yeah, so I use the oil-free facial moisturizer, Sensitive Skin, by the Up and Up brand, which I got from Target. Pretty good, I like this one. Alright, so my next step is going to be, like I said, sunscreen. And I use this CeraVe hydrating sunscreen. It's lightweight with a non-greasy feel. The only thing I would say about it is that it leaves you white, but I blended in and put foundation on top anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it definitely does leave you white. Maybe because it's a mineral sunscreen and a lot of them with like zinc and stuff leave you white. If you blend it in enough, it'll go away, but if you're like my mom, you're just going to leave it white. Then you're gonna be white. The results look like Casper.
Posting pics of baby, they not posting pics of you. Interesting, very interesting, but that's none of my business.
Sips tea. It's actually green tea. Pretty good for your skin. Recommend. All these Asian people always drink green tea and they have beautiful skin, so what do you gotta do? Drink green tea, and that's how you get beautiful skin. Learn from the best. Obviously not me because I don't drink enough, but yeah. Okay, next step, I will be going in with a foundation. I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless No Ultra Oily foundation in the shade 120, because I had 128 but it's too dark for me right now, and 120 is still a little dark, but that's because I got even paler, but it's fine because I can blend it in. So Now that my foundation is fully blended in, you can take a look how it left my skin. A little dark on the dark side, like as compared to how I was before, but it does like sort of match. My skin is not like too far off. But to fix that sort of problem, I like to go in with the ABH Contour Cream Kit in Light. And so yeah, I barely ever touch these colors because I'm not that good at contouring, but I always highlight, of course, because I'm not that good at foundation matching either. Because you never know, like, it's always changing for me because I don't tan. But, okay, so here, cover my eyes, my eye bags. So I just went shopping so we can't have them exposed. And it's like, I've been getting sleep. It's just, I guess, still gonna be there. Okay, and then the next thing, I just want to highlight my nose a little bit. Okay, and then also forehead, chin. Okay, so for today, since I'm wearing a bun, I would like to contour my forehead just in the slightest because I don't want it to look huge. You know what I'm saying? Because it is huge. So I'll just do that. We might as well contour today. Okay, so that's how I do my contour. I just do a line on my draw a line here, forehead like that, and then sometimes I like to go along my nose. Right. So 1, 2, 3, transform. I'm back, guys. Everything is fully blended in and it looks a lot better in person than it does on camera. But if you can kind of tell, like, look at my face, like it's kind of like chiseled out, like you can't even tell because my lighting is so bad. But if you can, it looks good to me. So that's what I'm happy about. And next thing I'm gonna go into with is the Cover FX Perfecting Face Perfector Base Palette. Should be perfecting, but whatever. Perfector. And this is what she looks like. I really like this palette. I use it like all the time. But so yeah, so I have a contour shade in here. I'm gonna take a small brush and slowly like drag that color just dipped into it, dust it off over the contour. Give it a little wash. Forehead. Just a little bit. That looks good. And again on the jawline, bring it down as well. So that's what I like to do for contour. And then I'm going to use the same palette for blush, of course. And I use this e.l.f. blush brush. There's any, you can use any brush, it doesn't matter. But I just used this one, it was like 10 bucks. Okay, so apples. Gives it a nice color, and a lot of time I think it's too strong because like I want to see rosy, but at the same time I want it to be diffused. So I'll take a brush like this one I have here specifically for that. This is a blush brush, but I like to use that one first and then this one. This one's a little less dense than that one. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash it. And I think that looks good to me. So that's what I do for that step. I take this Ofra powder. It's called Pressed Powder Oil Control. And I'm going to take this small little Flawless Concealer brush from e.l.f. Go underneath where I put highlight. Sort of set that area. I don't want it to be greasy. As well as here and my forehead. And here. So it does look a little bit white, but I'm going to dust that right off. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, brows. I love doing brows because it transforms my face, but I hate doing them because I'm not that good at it. So I'm taking this NYX, what is it called? Oh wait, Wet n Wild brand retractable brow pencil. It has this spoolie. This is perfect for thick brows like mine. And I'm running really low on this. I can't find my other brow thing, but like this one's really good too. So it's a little bit of angled thing, so I'm just gonna go underneath and sort of just trace out my eyebrow. Okay, so I did that for the front. Blend that. Head to the back. Yikes. So what happened is I'm running out of brow stuff. So I went in with, I'm gonna go in with my Bodyography Essential Brow Trio, and I'm gonna fix up my eyebrows because like, I don't have anything left to use. So I'm gonna take this light brown color here, this one, sort of just fill in my brow, so you just watch. Alright, we're gonna do the rest off camera because today is not working out. Bye. Guys, I don't know what happened, but I just went into like panic mode, I guess. But I fixed them, sort of. I think they look good. I just need to finish the rest of my makeup. I did like a little bit of like thin brows today. So yeah, let's just move this way so it's a little bit lighter. Yeah. So I used the same exact products. I couldn't handle the pressure of being on camera. I don't know what happened. But I really like this brow. This one's okay, but yeah, I had to make them both thin. I think the thing is like they look dark and I don't have anything else, so we're just gonna deal with that. Okay. 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 So anyways, I should go into my highlighter now because I've been using this beautiful baby girl right here. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I'm just obsessed with it because it's by Rihanna. It's nothing like crazy like the highlighter itself. Like it's good, but it's just because it's by Rihanna. Like that's the only reason I'm fantasizing about it. But I know it's sad, but leave me alone. But don't get me wrong, it is a good highlighter. So look at this. It's just like nothing special. Going to be using this eyeshadow palette. I don't want to make it too dark. I'm just gonna go in with some gray shades here. Yeah, for my eyelids. So I'm gonna be taking this flat top brush. It is. Oy! Okay, that was a dud. Okay, gonna be taking this shade here called Nocturnal. Gonna be putting that all over the lid as well as my other eyelid, all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, so yeah, so look at the palette. This is what it is. This is by the brand Pretty Vulgar. Okay, next I'm gonna go into this shade here called Hide and Seek. I'm only using that shade from this palette, so that's what I did for now. Then I'm gonna go back into this Cover FX and use the bronzer color for my eyes. And I think for the eyes today, this highlighter shade here in this palette will go for the center. It's pretty nice. I like simple looks like this for every day. The little halo effect. Alright guys, we're down to the last 3 products before my camera dies. Ah! Okay, so I always put mascara, and lately I've been using this Covergirl Clump Crusher. So that's what we're gonna do today. Clump Crusher. It's not the best one, but it's way better than the Wet n Wild one I was trying. My favorite one so far has to be the W7 one. Lash chapstick from my videos. But yeah, this one's not bad though. I'm nervous, my camera's gonna die. Okay, so that is basically it for lashes. I might go back and fix it, but I'm trying to finish this video up before my camera dies. So the next step I'm going to do is go in with this lip pencil by NYX in the shade Mauve. You know when your lip pencil's like faint and you need to sharpen it, it just kind of hurts you to put on. Okay, so yeah, today I'm trying a new lip color because I was gifted this Colourpop Winger Takes All Ultra Glossy Lip Duo, and it comes with these two beautiful colors. One is RingLeader here, and this one here is called Menagerie. I don't know, but I'm using this pink one. It is a ultra blotted lip. I love it. It looks wonderful. And I might top it off with this one just so you guys can see what it looks like. It's really nice. This is a little brush that it comes with. This one smells like vanilla, by the way. It smells really good, like cupcakes and vanilla. So this is the finished looks, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you back in my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I want to show you that I do use this new brand new perfume that I got. It's really good. It's Guess 1981. I don't know, but it smells bomb, and I just be using it. But anyway, I just sprayed my perfume in my mouth. Oh, so if you want to kiss me, it might taste good. But okay, so here's the final results. I think for work it's perfect look. I'm gonna get a lot of calculator plans, you already know. And this shirt is by Glam by Gabriella. It says, never ask a girl with winged eyeliner why she's late, because you already know that's difficult. Alright, thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in my next videos. Happy 2020. I hope you guys have an amazing year and set goals. Remember, never give up, and don't lower your standards for anybody, any man, woman, nothing, because you guys, you're up here, okay? So don't lower them here. Okay, so I believe in all of you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, anything you want, future videos. And again, thank you for watching and have a great year. Bye.